What's the meaning of beast? Beast. Beast.
Beast. Beast. The word beast typically refers to a non-human animal, especially one that is large, powerful, and potentially dangerous. It can also be used to describe a person who is perceived as being aggressive, uncontrollable, or lacking in civility. The term can carry both positive and negative connotations depending on the context in which it is used. In mythology and folklore, beasts often hold symbolic significance and are associated with concepts such as strength, power, and primal instincts. In contemporary culture, the term is sometimes employed as an exaggerated expression of admiration for something or someone that is considered exceptional, such as a particularly impressive athletic performance or a particularly attractive person.